A similar question is asked by Shadab Khatri, London, UK. Are all the hadith in Kitaab-Us-Sittah Sahih? Are all the hadith in siyasat authentic? Siyasat is actually a misnomer. Siyasat means 6 Sahih. It should be Kitaab-Us-Sittah. It is 6 books of hadith. So Kitaab-Us-Sittah is the right terminology for 6 books of hadith. Siyasat is a misnomer. Siyasat means 6 authentic books. The right terminology is Kitaab-Us-Sittah, 6 books of hadith. And this Kitaab-Us-Sittah are the Sahih Bukhari, Sahih Muslim, Sunan Abu Dawud, Sunan Tirmidhi, Sunan Nisai, and Ibn Majah. These 6 books, the scholars, they say that if you read these 6 books of hadith, you will come to know most of the rulings in Islam. But the hadith in all the 6 books are not 100% authentic. The only books in which all the hadith are authentic and Sahih are Sahih Bukhari number 1, then is Sahih Muslim. The remaining 4 books, Sunan Abu Dawud, Sunan Tirmidhi, Sunan Nisai, and Ibn Majah, in these 4 books, most of the hadiths are Sahih, but not all 100%. So these 6 books, the scholars say, if you read and you read the Quran, you will come to know most of the rulings in Islam, most of it. Not 100%, but most of it. There's a small group of scholars who say that instead of Ibn Majah, there should be Imam Muwatta Malik. So there's another small group of scholars who say the 6 books should contain, besides Sahih Bukhari, Sahih Muslim, Sunan Abu Dawud, Sunan Nisai, Sunan Tirmidhi, it should contain Imam Muwatta Malik instead of Ibn Majah. That's a small group. But we agree that 6 books are there. If you want to join Imam Muwatta Malik, it becomes 7. But most of the scholars say that Ibn Majah is included in this. So all the hadith of these 6 books, only the first 2, Sahih Muslim and Sahih Bukhari, all authentic. The remaining 4, majority authentic, but not all. There is a great scholar of the recent time, a muhaddith, that is Shaykh Nasruddin Albani. What he did, he has divided the last 4 books of Kitaab-Us-Sittah into Sahih and Zaif. He wrote Sahih, and he differentiated the books of hadith, the last 4 books, Sunan Abu Dawud as Sahih Sunan Abu Dawud, Zaif Sunan Abu Dawud. Then he took the next book, Sunan Nisai, Sahih Sunan Nisai, Zaif Sunan Nisai. Then he took the next book, Sunan Tirmidhi, Sahih Sunan Tirmidhi, Zaif Sunan Tirmidhi. Then he took the last book, Ibn Majah, Sahih Ibn Majah, Zaif Ibn Majah. So the silsila is Sahih. So if you read this silsila is Sahih of Shaykh Nasruddin Albani, then you can come to know all the Sahih hadith in the last 4 books of Kitaab-Us-Sittah. He's done a great work. So this is how you can differentiate.